Hi everyone, in this video I will explain sample paper of Hsk level 3. I will explain every question with examples and also give you some tips to tackle these questions. Hsk3 has 3 sections: listening, reading and writing. Hsk3 in total has 300 marks and every section has 100 marks. Listening section has 4 parts and every part has 10 questions. So in total there will be 40 questions in listening section and there will be 35 minutes to solve these 40 questions. And every question has 2.5 marks. After 35 minutes they will give you additional 5 minutes to fill out the answer sheets. Reading section has 3 parts and every part has 10 questions. So in total for reading part there will be 30 questions and for these 30 questions you will have 30 minutes. And third and last section is writing part. Writing section is marks gaining section because in this section you can easily get more marks with minimum efforts. Writing section has 2 parts and every part has 5 questions. So in total there will be 10 questions and each question carry 10 marks. Now I will explain every question with example. So let's move to screen. In listening section you will listen to a standard audio and for every question audio will be played twice. In part 1 of listening section you will listen to a short paragraph and in this paragraph they will talk about one of the given picture and you need to match the correct picture with the paragraph. For example, you will listen to a paragraph like this and after listening to the paragraph you need to find out the correct answer. There is a dialogue between man and a woman. Nan. Wei. Chang Ching Li Zai Ma. Hello, is Chang Manager there? New female. Tha Chang Zai Khai Hui. He is currently in a meeting. Nin Pan Ga Shao She Ho Zai Ta How Ma. You need to call after half an hour. Is it okay? And after listening to this paragraph, we have an idea that someone is having a phone call. And from the above pictures, only D answer is correct because and in this picture you can see a girl is receiving a phone call. So the D answer is correct. And the tip to solve this picture question is to listen to a keyword and you need to pay attention to the keyword. For example, here the keyword is way. Way is a greeting word which the people use only during phone call. So even if we get the meaning of this way, we can find out the correct answer without even understanding the rest of the paragraph. Part 2 of listening section is like true and false question. In part 2 of listening section, you will listen to a short paragraph and after listening to the paragraph at the end they will make a statement from this paragraph and you need to tell whether this statement is true or false. For example, Wei larang ze chi gang jian kang ta me tian to hua lai ge xiao xue chu tuan lian qian ti. To keep himself healthier, every day he spent half an hour in exercising. And after this dialogue, they will ask a question like this. Ta shi wang ze ji han jian kang. He want to keep himself healthier. And in the paragraph they are saying that every day the man exercise an hour. So if a man is exercising an hour daily, so it means that he wants to keep himself healthier. So the following statement is correct according to this paragraph. And also in part 2, the easiest way to guess the correct answer is to find out the keyword. For example, here the keyword is Tuanli and Shanti, exercise. So even if we get the meaning of this keyword, that we can get an idea that someone is talking about an exercise. So it means that the man want to keep himself healthier. So the following statement should be correct. Part 3 of listening section is single choice question. First we will listen to a dialogue and after the dialogue they will ask a question and we need to find out the right answer A, B or C according to this dialogue. For example, there is a short dialogue between a man and a woman and at the end they are asking a question according to this dialogue and we need to find out the correct answer. Nan Xiao Wang Pangwa Kai Xiaman Hao Ma Xie Xie. Xiao Wang, help me open the door. Is it okay? Thank you. New. Meguanchi. Nin Chu Chao Shela. It's okay. Did you go to supermarket? Maila Chama Toa Tongshi. You have bought so many stuff. And after the dialogue, they will ask a question. Nanta xiang rang xiao wang zua shama. What did the man want the girl to do? A. Khaiman open the door. B. Na tongshi to take stuff. C. Chu xiaoxie mai tongxi. Go to supermarket to buy stuff. In part 3, it is better to get the meaning of the whole dialogue. Otherwise, it will be difficult to mark out the correct answer. For example, if you don't get the meaning of the answer, then there will be a tie between A and C. But if you get the meaning of the whole sentence, then you can easily tell that A is correct because a man is asking a woman to open the door. Part 4 of listening section is similar to part 3, just is that the dialogue is a bit longer. And same like part 3, you need to find out the correct answer A, B or C after listening the dialogue. For example, New Wan Fan Zua Haula Chun Pe Chefan La. The meal is ready, get ready to eat. Non man. Tangi Huar, wait a while. Pisa Hai Yo San Fan Chung Chu Che Shula. The match still has 3 minutes to end. New. Quiet Yarpa. Hurry up, each. Let's eat together. Sai Langla Chu Pu Hao Chela. When the meal is cold, it won't taste good. Nan Nishianche. You first eat wa ma shang chu khan wan la. I will finish it quickly. And after the dialogue, they will ask a question and you need to tell the right answer according to this dialogue. For example, the question here is Nan Shamma, what is the man doing right now? A. Shizao, taking bath. B. Shefan, eating food. C. Khantianshi, watching television. According to this dialogue, the right answer is C. Here it is better to get the meaning of the whole dialogue. But if you don't get the meaning of the whole dialogue, then the only tip is to find is at least to get the meaning of the keyword. For example, here the keyword is chun peche fanla, get ready to eat. From this keyword, we get an idea that the woman is asking man to be get ready to eat. It means that now he is not eating meal. So the B is wrong. And A is also wrong because in this whole dialogue there is not even a single word about taking bath. So A is also wrong and the only right option will be C. Now the reading part. The part 1 of the reading section is like matching a column. We need to match the two statements which are referring to the same content. For example, here is the statement and we need to find out the one of the right answer from the above A, B, C, D, E and F options. The statement here is Niche tau zamma chu narla. Do you know how to go there? After reading this statement, we have an idea that he is asking how to go there. So in the answer, there must be something about the mean of transport like car, bus, train, etc. And among these options, the only right option is E. The statement is Tangran. Of course, Wama Shanzua Gong Gong Chicha will first take bus Ranho Huanti Thie, then we change subway. So the right answer is E because statement is matching with our given statement. In this statement, he is telling that how we can go there. And in part 2 of reading section, we need to fill the given blanks with one of the given correct option. First, it is better to read out all of the options. A. Xiang mean to or toward. B. Ranho mean then. C. Hua to spend or flower. D. Huaize mean chopsticks. E. Shangyan mean voice. F. Xiangtong mean same. Now try to fill this option. Tha shuata tua hao thinga. Shuata means speaking. And the only one option relating to speaking is E. Shangyin mean voice. So the option E is right. Similarly, for other questions, you need to find out the suitable option. And in part 3 of the reading section, there is a short paragraph, and after reading this paragraph, we need to find out the correct answer according to this paragraph. This is time consuming part of the reading section, and while solving this part, it is better to set the target that you will solve every question in 1 minute. In this way, you can solve in this part in the given time. For example, let's read this example. Ninsha lai san chia chin tian hui itama. Are you here for today's meeting? Nin lai zaula itiar. You came here a bit earlier. Xian zai saipa tian pan. Now it's only 8:30. Nin xian chin lai. You came first. Zuapa. Please sit down. And after reading this paragraph, we need to answer this question. 会议最可能几点开始? Most probably, when will the meeting start? A. Patian 8 o'clock. B. Patian pan 8:30. C. Chiotian 9 o'clock. Here the keyword is time. Xianzai sai Patian pan. Now it's only 8:30. And the answer A is wrong because now it's already 8:30 and the meeting still has few minutes to begin. So the answer is totally wrong. Answer B is also wrong because now it is 8:30 and the meeting still has few minutes to begin. And the only right answer is C. And for single choice question, it is better to hide those options which are totally wrong than try to guess the right answer from the options which are left behind. And in part 1 of the writing section, you need to make a correct sentence from the given words. For example, let's try to make a sentence from the given words. Xiao Chuan mean about, Shang mean on, E one, He river, Tiao is a Malay word for long things, Yo mean have. And after reading the given words, try to think of the meaning of the possible sentence in your own native language. Then it will be easier to arrange these words in a sentence. And from these words we can make a sentence that there is a boat in the river. And for existential sentences, the sentences in which we use there is a specific sentence pattern. We need to arrange this word according to this pattern. The pattern here is, at the first we will put the place, then we will put the preposition, and then the word yo mean have, and at the end we will put noun. The place here is he mean river, and preposition is shang mean on, and then we will put yo, and then at the end we will place noun, and the noun here is a boat, yi tiao xiao chuan, and the right sentence is he shang yo yi tiao xiao chuan. Part 2 of the writing section is the most easiest question. In this part, you just need to write the correct character of the given pinyin. For example, Megwan Shi Pian Nangwa Gaoxing Tiar. It's okay, don't be sad, be happy. We need to write the correct pinyin for Guan. And here is the correct pinyin. That's all about the pattern of HSK level 3. Hope so my video will be helpful for you.